Italy has banned the arrival of people coming from 13 nations deemed at risk due to high COVID-19 infection rates. Travellers who have transited through or stayed in those countries over the past 2 weeks will not be allowed into Italy. Elsewhere, Romania saw a record number of new coronavirus cases in a single day. Despite major cities turning into hotspots, no restrictions have been put in place by local authorities. Oscar Valero has more.
The city of Bergamo in Italy celebrates. After being one of the worst hit by the coronavirus, the intensive care unit at the local hospital says it's COVID-free for the first time since the start of the crisis. But Italy doesn't want to make mistakes being overconfident. The government has banned arrivals from countries including Brazil, Bosnia and Peru. Anyone who has stayed or have passed through them in the last 14 days will not be able to enter or transit in Italy except for Italians, who must self-isolate for 14 days instead. Romania too is concerned by the increase of new cases after the pandemic seemed under control. The country has recorded its highest daily toll yet, with several cities, including the capital Bucharest, as hotspots. Authorities have urged Romanians to comply with the social distancing and hygiene rules, but there are no plans to reinstate restrictions. Meanwhile, in Spain, the daily infection count doubled in 24 hours amid dozens of small outbreaks. Authorities in the Balearic Islands plan to make the wearing of masks mandatory outdoors from this weekend, after detecting 3 new outbreaks this week in Majorca. In France and Greece, officials warned that people were too frequently ignoring safety guidance. The latter registered new cases imported from neighboring Balkan countries. Athens said they may announce new restrictions on Monday. Oscar Valero, Euronews.